Big news on the CBI, who's taken up the probe in the Kolkata rape and murder case. All documents from the Kolkata police, including the statement of the accused and witnesses, have been collected. Special Crime Unit of the CBI is now going to re-verify the statements recorded by the Kolkata police. Forensic teams of the CBI is also going through the crime scene, evidence collected by the police as they speed up investigation to see multiple angles of this crime. We've heard some gory details in the autopsy report that also indicates that there could be more than one person involved in this rape. Monish joining us for more on that to give us a sense on the CBI probe and how this is going forward. Monish, there are several angles that the CBI will now have to delve into, considering there are questions raised about autopsy injuries and that this could be a case of gang rape. So a lot at the hands of the CBI.
Well, Nabila, multiple theories and multiple conspiracies are coming into light, and after registering the FIR, re-registering the FIR, the priority of Central Bureau of Investigation is to not only investigate the case but also verify the conspiracy theories and multiple angles which are being given, particularly in connection with this rape and murder case. Now, as far as CBI's probe is concerned, what we have been given to understand is that CBI has collected all the documents, including the statements recorded by the Kolkata police of witnesses and accused in the case. But they are also going to re-verify whether the Kolkata police did due diligence while recording these statements or not. And there is a high possibility that those witnesses will be again called in for questioning. There might be some new witnesses who will be called in for questioning by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The accused is already in custody of CBI. The questioning of the accused is going on, and the CBI will be producing that accused before the court or not, before the court. But the priority for the CBI is to collect evidence in the case because many days have passed, and now the CBI's priority is to collect evidence because based on the evidence, the CBI is going to build their case. So as of now, not only they have collected evidence from the Kolkata police, but also they have visited crime scene with the forensic team, and we have been given to understand is that some fresh evidence have also been collected by the Special Crime Unit of CBI. So we are hoping that there will be a breakthrough by the CBI in this case, and CBI is hopeful that they will be able to get into as deep as possible in this while probing this case. Nabila.
So a lot to look out for, as hopefully the CBI will uncover several angles in this case. The doctors' fraternity at this point have launched an all-out strike, protest demanding, number one, that the investigation is done in a speedy manner. The family of that deceased girl gets adequate compensation, and more importantly, that doctors' rights and their security must be protected. Monish, thanks very much for joining us on that. We have more updates coming in on that man, the accused, Sanjay Roy, his family members speaking. All right, the rapist's sister distances herself from the brother. She says that the family has never been in touch with Sanjay Roy, the accused who raped and murdered the young doctor in Kolkata. Sister backs for a CBI probe on rapist Sanjay. India Today tracks down the family, try to, in fact, get a version from them on Sanjay Roy. The sister of Sanjay says they haven't been in touch with Sanjay for a long time. She welcomes a CBI probe, saying this must be probed extensively and that they have no contact with him for a while now.
আপনাদের দাবিটা কি একটু যদি বলেন, মানে আপনার কি মনে হয় সঞ্জয় দোষী?
সেটা তো সরকার প্রশাসন বলতে পারবে দাদা, সেটা আমরা কি করে বলবো বলুন।
না, কিন্তু মানে সিবিআই এর ইনকোয়ারি নিয়ে কি বলবেন? এই যে হাইকোর্ট দিল সিবিআই এর ইনকোয়ারি,
ওর সাথে তো দেখুন দাদা, আমি প্রথম বলছি ওর সাথে আমাদের কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, না লাস্ট তাও কবে দেখা সাক্ষাৎ হয়েছিল?
এখন সিবিআই যা বুঝবেন, সিবিআই যা করবেন, সিবিআই যা তদন্ত করবেন, ওনারা যা ঠিক বুঝবেন সেটাই করুন, আমাদের কোনো অবজেকশন নেই দাদা।
আপনাদের দাবিটা কি একটু যদি বলেন, মানে আপনার কি মনে হয় সঞ্জয় দোষী?
সেটা তো সরকার প্রশাসন বলতে পারবে দাদা, সেটা আমরা কি করে বলবো বলুন।
না, কিন্তু মানে সিবিআই এর ইনকোয়ারি নিয়ে কি বলবেন? এই যে হাইকোর্ট দিল সিবিআই এর ইনকোয়ারি,
ওর সাথে তো দেখুন দাদা, আমি প্রথম বলছি ওর সাথে আমাদের কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, না লাস্ট তাও কবে দেখা সাক্ষাৎ হয়েছিল?
এখন সিবিআই যা বুঝবেন, সিবিআই স্যার যা করবেন, সিবিআই যা তদন্ত করবেন, ওনারা যা ঠিক বুঝবেন সেটাই করুক, আমাদের কোনো অবজেকশন নেই দাদা।